guys! So today, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung pwedeng gawin yung activities dito sa Hunter Valley as a family kasama ang iyong mga chikitings. Diba sa Hunter Valley, usually ang iniisip natin ay puro adult activities lang yung pwede natin gawin. Pero after a year of living in the Hunter region, na-discover namin na madami din palang activities for little kids. Like merong bibigyan sila ng coloring book or toys na pwedeng laruin sa mga lawn. And then meron ding namang wineries na may playground inside the vineyard, the estate. And then recently may na-discover kami na winery na nag-offer din ng juice tasting for the kids and may kasama na ring snacks. So na-enjoy ni Liam yun kasi parang may sensory experience na rin na yung food, iba-ibang texture. And then yung juice, merong sweet, merong sour, merong bitter. So something new for Liam. And kami, enjoy rin namin yung wine tasting namin kasi si Liam busy sa juice tasting niya. After nyo mag-wine tasting, madami din magagandang playground dito sa Hunter Valley na pwede nyong daanan. It's worthy na daanan. So if you're interested kung ano bang pwede nyong gawin dito sa Hunter Valley, with your family kasama ang mga chikitings, please keep on watching.
Welcome to Tropa Tales in Australia. Please watch our videos and subscribe to our channel.